Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this JABRA Elite 65T earbuds which is not working. This is from one of the subscriber of AudioViz 360. I'm not going to show this side because I'm not showing because of the safety reasons. So the complaint is he has kept this brand new earbuds in the cupboard and he was not using for more than 8-9 months. In the sense he bought it and he kept it like that, and recently he opened the box and he wanted to use that, but the buds was not working and it was completely dead. Let's see whether I can fix this or not. So let me unbox this parcel. So it is neatly packed here, sponge here for safety, nice packing. So this is the JABRA Elite 65T. You can see here, this is actually new piece as per the subscriber. So this is the brand new JABRA Elite 65T. Brother Praveen Kumar from Hyderabad has its Elite 65T. So let's see what is the problem here exactly. The case is perfectly fine, I think. The light is coming here, but once we take this out, there should be a light here and the light should be coming here in these buds as well, I think. So anyways, the lights are not completely working. So we have to tear this down and see what is the condition of the battery first. That is the first case study here. The battery voltage should go to the motherboard. Then the motherboard should turn on. Alright, let's take out one of the earbuds here and see what is the problem exactly and what is the voltage of the battery inside. We'll see that first. To take this apart, we have to give mild heat here so that the glue will come out and we can take this apart. So I will do that and come back here. Alright, I have taken this out without any marks. That is the beauty of this channel, AudioViz 360. The service will be uncomparable to others. So this is the teardown. You can see the battery is located here and this is the tiny flux cable here. This is very delicate. If you try to open, you may end up breaking this flux cable. Once the flux cable is broken, then this earbuds is of no use. It is completely garbage if you broke this flux cable. So while handling this, be careful. So here this is the battery, MC power battery. These batteries are very expensive. JABRA uses very expensive batteries. I am going to replace this battery with lithium ion polymer battery, which is of equivalent mAh. So I use very high quality batteries here to replace, so that the life of these earbuds should be good after replacing the battery. I will show the battery here as well. So now I will try to take out this battery. This is the button type battery of 3.7 volts. So I am going to use my prying tool here, slowly lifting this battery. Take this off very carefully. You may end up breaking this flux cable here. So I have pulled this battery out here because showing in this video is very difficult. Then I may end up breaking this flux cable. That will be now while lifting. This flux cable is pasted at the bottom, so you have to remove that carefully. There is a pasting here that we have to remove. So further I will remove this and come back. I will take out the battery and come back. Now you can see I have removed the battery. Behind this battery there is one more flux cable which is coming from this. So that is the important part here, which is very challenging. Most of the cases everybody ends up breaking this, but here I have removed this without breaking. So there is a 2 points here which goes to these charging connectors. This is the connectors. From this voltage comes from the case here. So the point touches here from the case and this point goes to directly these 2 points. So while putting this back, we have to carefully place it accordingly so that it will charge the battery here. Alright, now let's remove this further. Still little bit of glue is there. After removing this, we have to check the voltage of the battery here. So finally I have removed the battery here. So let's check the voltage of this battery so that we can identify the problem here exactly. I'm going to use my multimeter here, setting the voltage here to 20 volt DC, and let's check the voltage of this battery here. You can see the voltage of the battery is 0.04. That means this battery is completely dead. This is of no use. Even if you charge, it will not respond. That is the reason brother Praveen Kumar has sent these earbuds to me. So I am going to replace this battery. You can see the specifications if you want. This is of 3.7 volts, 0.222 watt hour battery. MC Power is the brand. So alright, I am going to use the almost similar capacity battery here with lithium ion. So I am going to show you that battery. So this is the battery which I am going to use. So you can see the size is exactly same. Even the thickness and the diameter, everything is same. The capacity is almost same. There are so many qualities available in the market. So this is one of the finest battery which I have identified. So it will be looking similar if you buy in the market, but internally the capacities, the quality of the batteries will be very different. So based on my experience, I have got this battery. This is one of the best. So the prices depends on the quality of the battery. So alright, now I'm going to show you the voltage of this battery here. Previously we have checked this battery shown 0.04 volt, which is completely dead. Now I am going to check out this battery here. You can see the voltage here is 3.8 something, so that means the battery is brand new, so the voltage is coming like that. So this is the brand new battery. Now the challenge here is this battery doesn't have any wires here. This battery has wires. This has directly contacting points here. This side is one polarity and this side is plus positive polarity terminal, but in this case there is only two wires. So we have to identify the positive and negative of this here in this, then we have to do soldering accordingly to the terminals. Then this will start working again and it will start recharging. And one more thing is we have to place this flux cable proper to these points here. So these 2 points should touch this point inside, then it will start charging here as well. Everything I am going to do, I will test it completely, then I will ship this back to brother Praveen Kumar from Hyderabad. So alright, now let's install this battery. So now this battery has plus and minus, two wires are there. Plus will go to plus terminal and minus will go to minus terminal of these earbuds. So the plus terminal is these 2 points. Here you can see this is 1 point and this is 1 point. You can use either, it is common. So I am going to use this one, and the minus wire will go to this point. You can see here, this is the minus point. So 2 wires we have identified. After soldering, then we have to position it accordingly, because these 2 terminals should touch here to these 2 points. That is one challenging one. It has housing properly for this flux cable. Alright, let me solder this and show you. To solder, I am going to apply little bit of paste to this point, soldering paste, and little bit of paste here in this flux cable. While soldering, you have to keep soldering time should be very less, otherwise you will end up melting this flux cable. If this is melted, then the entire buds will be waste. So be careful. If you have anything to do like this, please send it to me. I will replace it and give you for service. You can send it here. Alright, now I'm going to solder. You can see, just I'm going to touch it. You can see the lead has gone there. Now it's time to put little bit of lead over the flux cable at the corner. This is the minus of our battery. You can see now this is done. There is a red point came out for us. So alright, now let us solder the battery here. Carefully touch the point here, otherwise there is a flux cable running behind just next to the point here. You may end up melting the flux cable. You can see the red wire is connected now, and now I am going to fix this black wire here. It's difficult for me to show in this video, but still I will try, because these are very minute things. If I focus capturing the video, then I may end up melting this. That's it, both wires is connected now, so this should start working. Alright, let me position this first before testing. To position this, you can see this is a small plastic coming out. This should go like this. I'm going to use this tweezers here. Like this it should go. Now this is positioned perfectly. Now we have to keep our battery like this. You can see battery is positioned perfectly. Now I'm just going to keep like this. Before pasting this, I'm going to check this out. So this part is ready. Before testing this, I have to replace the battery of this other side as well. So after replacing this battery, I will come out and I will come here and show you the working functionality of this. I will replace the battery here. I'm not going to show in this video because I have already shown. This is also similar. Alright, now both batteries has been replaced and I have tested it perfectly working fine. Now I am going to paste the housing here and I will show you the proper working demo of this. So alright, you can see it has been pasted completely like this. You can see it is perfectly pasted. So now it's time to, it's already turned on here, you can see. Now I will show you the charging functionality of this first, then I will show you the audio quality, the working functionality. I will show the charging functionality of individual buds here. This is the right one. So once I kept, you can see the right light is blinking, that means it will turn off. Alright, now this is done. Now I will close. You can see it will light will come and then it will go like this. Now you can see here light will come, it is charging. So this is charging. Now I will show you the other one. As you can see, the red light will blink here as well. If I keep once here, you can see it is charging here. We'll close here, light will come and go here. If I open here, it is charging. Alright, so this is the charging functionality. Once if it opens, Now the orange light is coming. If I keep it for some more time, the orange light will glow to green. There are 3 colors here. If the battery is completely drained, then red light will come if you open the case. If it is partially charged, then orange light, now it is coming. If we keep this for some more time, then the light will be green, that means it is fully charged. Alright, now I am going to show you the working functionality of these earbuds. Now I am going to take this out. It is almost complete, green light is coming. So both the earbuds I have taken out. I will do refresh here. It is still green light is there. It should turn to blue, then it will be in pairing mode. Now it is turned off. Now if I keep continuously pressing like this, blue light has come. Now you can see, now it is in pairing mode. Now if I refresh, JABRA Elite 65T has come. I'm just clicking that. It is asking for the permission, so I'm just clicking pair. Now you can see it is connected and the battery percentage is, it is almost full. That is the reason green light was coming. Now it is 90%. So if we keep further for some more time, it will become 100%. So now it's time to play the song here. I'm going to use my studio mic. If you have earphones or headphones, please put on that so that you can listen the audio quality here as well of this JABRA Elite 65T. So this side I'm going to show the audio one. So this is one side, this is the other side. So it is completely working fine. Alright, this JABRA Elite 65T is working perfectly now. It has been restored perfectly. So again, if I keep this now, this is the right one. So again, if I keep this now, red light will blink here. That means it will turn off. You can see. And this also, if I keep here, it will turn off and red light will come like this. Now if I close, it will start charging. Since this is almost close to 100%, the light will be, if I open, the green light might be blinking or might be orange. Yeah, it is orange. Once it is done with 100% charging, that light will turn on to green. So if you have anything like this for service, please do message to this above WhatsApp number. This is given by one of the subscriber from Hyderabad. His name is Praveen Kumar. So I request Mr. Praveen Kumar to give feedback in the comment section so that other persons can take that as a positive review, or based on your review they can send the product to me so that I can replace the batteries of the case or might be the earbuds like this. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon and write comment in the comment section below. If you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.